Hello travellers, today I wanted to do a quick review of the Dyplay Urban Traveler Noise Cancelling Headphones. Dyplay did send me these for review, but my opinions and thoughts are my own. So starting from the aesthetics of these headphones, I do quite like the grey colour, although I wish they came in black, although in some markets there is also a bright red version available. These headphones have quite a nice set of features for such an affordable price. They are $66 US and 89 Australian dollars, which is a fraction of the price of a pair of Bose or Sony noise cancelling headphones. The Dyplay have noise cancelling, an aux input to allow you to use the headphones wired if you want, a long-lasting, roughly 20-hour battery, and buttons on the back. There are a few missing features though. For example, they don't allow for multi-device seamless play, which is where you'd connect your device to a laptop and a phone, for example, and the headphones would play the audio from whichever one is currently playing audio. Although to be fair, neither did the Sony headphones that I also reviewed. In terms of actual noise cancelling performance, compared to the Sonys, I would say the Dyplay cancel roughly about 80% of the noise. I can still hear sounds around me, but it's at such a low level you don't really notice it. The noise cancelling is actually quite similar to the Audio-Technica noise cancelling earbuds that I did a review on a few years ago. You can click up in the top to see that one. The main feature and difference between these and a pair of more expensive headphones like the Sonys or the Bose is that the Dyplay headphones don't have an ambient sound option. This is where you would be able to hear the outside sounds in the headphones and the music at the same time. This is something I really missed and I wish they had, but unfortunately it's more of a premium feature that's not often found on the lower end headphones. As for the quality of the audio of these headphones, I would say that it's quite good. I'm not really an audiophile, but I could hardly tell the difference between these and the Sonys. One thing that actually did surprise me though is that these headphones have a really nice built-in microphone. It is a little bit quiet, but the quality is not muffled like the Sonys and would make these great for video and audio calls. So this is a microphone test of the Dyplay Urban Traveler active noise cancelling headphones. How does it sound? Does it sound better like this? I think quality is pretty clear. It doesn't sound too bad, but the volume isn't that great. In terms of comfort, I found them to be about the same as the Sony headphones I reviewed before. They have a good level of adjustability and my ears didn't feel too restricted or sweaty while wearing them. The headphones also fold up and can be packed easily into a backpack, and they also include a carry case, but I felt it was a little bit bulky for the way that I carry my headphones. Overall, really nice and affordable set of noise cancelling headphones that will definitely give you a decent level of active noise cancellation and decent audio quality. They're comfortable and easy to pack, and if you're in the market for a set of headphones, I'd recommend checking them out. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what are your favourite headphones, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.